Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's Monday, January 5th. I'm Kevin McNew. To my left, Cody Bills. We had an impressive open to the start of the week with soybeans advancing 37 cents, corn up 10, and wheat in Chicago up 7. Cody, what got this market so excited this week?
Well, first of all, I don't think it's any specific news here that has changed the game. I don't think there was any major piece of news. I think it was a combination of the fact that we had been selling off for really 4 days in a row now. We finally coming back here. This is no longer a holiday shortened trade session, so we're getting the sort of real volume back in here, real participants back in the market. Today we have a rally. Soybeans, I think, it was moving higher here this morning, part as a snapback, some short covering, but I think its move was kind of augmented by the fact that northeastern Brazil here in the 15-day forecast is looking to be a little bit dry. That means that traders here need to start taking note, focusing on that region, northeastern part of Brazil, making sure that they get adequate precipitation. Though there is no major concern right now of dryness, I think there is the possibility, if these scattered showers miss these areas, that we could start having a little bit of a risk premium built into soybeans. We also had a nice export sale of 233,000 metric tons to China here this morning. So all in all, relatively positive news.
And on the export front, we had USDA's export inspections report this morning. Wheat and soybeans were on par with what analysts have been looking for. Corn, a little bit on the light side. I don't think these are big numbers that the market really digested today. Overall, it was just a bullish day of moving prices higher.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at the charts here. We'll take a look at March soybeans. This is a daily chart. One of the things I want you to focus on is the fact that we've really been trading in a range here since November, beginning of November. So we've been in a range, we got down near the low side of the range, found some support, and now we're back in the middle of the range. What does this mean? I don't think it's any major shift in the overall trend that we've seen. We've been moving sideways. This continues to be a sideways movement. When you look at corn here, what's interesting is we moved down, touched on that 50-day moving average, had a big old doji on Friday, and now we're rebounding here. So when you look at these sort of indicators, you know, we had some support, a little bit of a snapback. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is any sort of major game changer, but
Right.
We do have some weather coming in.
Yeah,
Kevin,
exactly.
what's that?
And when we look at the weather forecast for the next few days, it's going to get bitterly cold in the grain belt for wheat. The northern plains are going to be dipping well below the negative territory, and even into the eastern corn belt, they're going to be seeing well below freezing conditions. And where those areas of lack of snow cover are occurring, we expect to see some winter kill. Some meteorologists are putting it at about a third of the grain belt is at risk of winter kill. So that's supportive to the wheat market. You know, obviously it's not anything we're going to write home about, but, you know, in light of where we're at in terms of the bullish enthusiasm today, that's just another story that was sort of adding to the bullish news of trading.
Absolutely. And guys, make sure that you pay attention, because on the 12th here, we're going to have the USDA supply and demand report. We're going to have crop production as well as quarterly grain stocks, 3 major heavy hitting reports on the 12th. So really the theme of the rest of the week is people preparing and getting their positions evened up going into that report. If you have any questions, give us a call. The number's 877-472-4607. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and take a demo of the 14-day free trial that we have on grainhedge.com. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Tuesday.